Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an app on Adalo. First, you'll want to sign up for an Adalo account and explore the dashboard. Decide if you'd like to start with a pre-built template or begin from a blank canvas. This initial choice helps set the foundation for your app structure and design, guiding your next steps effectively. Next, focus on designing your app's user interface. Adalo's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to add elements like text, images, and buttons. Take time to customize your app's colors and fonts to match your brand. A well-designed interface is crucial for a positive user experience, so make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Now, let's add functionality to your app. You'll need to set up a database to store all your app's information, like user profiles or product details. Then, connect different screens using actions and transitions, defining how users move through your app. Don't forget to implement features like user authentication and forms for data input. Finally, it's time to test and launch your creation. Thoroughly preview your app on different devices to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Test every feature and user flow to catch any issues before going live. Once you're confident, you can publish your app to various app stores or as a progressive web application for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.